Welcome. I'm going to teach you today how to clean a computer. Today we're going to be using compressed air, wet wipes, glass cleaner in case you have a glass panel. And what we're going to be doing is cleaning the entirety of this PC. This is my computer, the one we'll be cleaning today. It's a pretty old build. The reason we have to keep the computer clean is to keep the performance up. It'll start to run slower if it gets too much dust and grime built into it. You'll suffer from overheating problems. GPU, CPU cooler, which is stock, and no RAM. So before you start cleaning a computer, make sure it's off and unplugged. I remember once a month to keep your computer clean of pet hair, dust, etc. And have a great day. Ta-ta for now.